my loves, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be sugaring one of my regular clients. I did slow down at the beginning, that way you're able to see how much hair the client has before we start. And off camera I did cleanse her with a rose water toner that I have, just to remove any extra lotion or oil that she has on her skin. We need her skin as dry as possible. The sugar wax will not adhere to the skin if it's oily and wet and if there's any moisture, pretty much. So we add powder to make sure that the skin is all prepped and dry and ready for sugar wax. And I'm just making sure she's all powdered up. I will not be talking through the video, just the beginning, to give you guys a heads up as to what's happening. And yeah, off we go. I have the sugar ball. Please make sure you have a good amount. The more the better. And I start off very, very slow. I usually wrap around the ankle just to see so far how the client feels. I'm asking her as I go. I've seen this client for well over a year. I know her very well. She's comfortable enough to tell me if anything hurts her, and we were good to go pretty much. But I still start off, as you can see, small molding strips pretty much, but as I go you will see that they will gradually get longer. And yeah, just make sure that you're going slow. You don't want to cause any discomfort for the client. Take your time, there is no rush. And ask the client as you go, how does she feel? How's it going? Make sure everything is good and, you know, the client is comfortable. So after I mold 2 to 3 times, I flick and remove, and I either rub or apply pressure. You need to do that. Please don't forget to apply pressure after sugaring or waxing in general. You're removing hair from the body all in one pull very much. So please make sure you're at least rubbing, or, you know, a quick pat just to help alleviate any discomfort. And as you can see, as I continue to sugar, the strips are getting longer. I'm covering more skin and moving a bit faster. I'm still molding slow. That is one thing, I still go slow, but I'm taking over more skin pretty much. So I'll be speeding up the video now, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.